Hello, how many parts of the body do you know? Let's learn body parts today. This is my head. 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 Touch your head. Fantastic. These are my eyes. 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 Touch your eyes. Great. This is my ear. I've got 2 ears. 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 Touch your ears. And this is my nose. 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 Touch your nose. Excellent. This is my mouth. 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 Touch your mouth. Wonderful. These are my hands. 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 Touch your hands. Look, my feet. 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 Touch your feet. Awesome. These are my arms. 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 Touch your arms. Way to go. And these are my legs. 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 Touch your legs. Super. These are my fingers. 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 Touch your fingers. Great. And these are my toes. 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 Touch your toes. Very good. Let's say all the body parts one last time. Head. Eyes. Ears. Nose. Mouth. Hands. Feet. Arms. Legs. Fingers. Toes. Well done. You did it. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.